How to make a withdrawal online or by mail. Getting ready to make a Bright Start 529 account withdrawal? Whether it's for college tuition, books, or other qualified expenses, here's a quick guide to help you through it. To send funds to a bank account, make sure your account is updated with your account and routing number, name as it appears on the account, and your bank's name. Please note, updating your account and bank information may cause delays with withdrawals. See the important things to consider information presented later in this video. If you're making a qualified withdrawal directly to the school, have the beneficiary student ID number before you start the process. Providing the student ID as part of the process will ensure your payment is properly received and processed by that institution. Some schools will not process your payment without this information. To withdraw online, log into your Bright Start 529 account and select the beneficiary you want to make a withdrawal for. Click on the withdrawal link. Choose the type of withdrawal: a qualified withdrawal, withdrawals for qualified K-12 expenses, withdrawal for apprenticeship expenses, withdrawal for student loan expenses, or a non-qualified withdrawal. In this example, we'll select a qualified withdrawal. Then, choose to whom the funds should be sent: directly to the college or school, to the account owner, or to the beneficiary. In this example, we'll select to the account owner by electronic payment to a bank account. Select the bank account. Select whether you want to withdraw a partial account balance or the total account balance. Enter how much you want to withdraw from your account and from which investments. Review and hit Submit. You're done! Please note, not all colleges and universities are able to accept electronic payments from Bright Start 529. If your school is not listed after you select the state, scroll down to My School is not listed, which appears at the end. In this instance, a check will be mailed to the school. Please allow 7 to 10 business days for check payment to schools. Prefer mail? Download and complete the withdrawal request form under the Forms section on brightstart.com. Enter the account owner information and beneficiary information. Verify that these details are correct. Next, enter the withdrawal details and delivery method. Then, enter the amount of the withdrawal. Now sign, date, and mail the completed form to the address on the screen. Here are some things to keep in mind when thinking about withdrawing from your Bright Start 529 account. Without an active, up-to-date account, you may receive the funds only through a check. You'll also need to wait 8 days after the receipt of a contribution before you can withdraw the funds from your account. Here are some other important things to consider. If you change your mailing address, you will not be able to make a withdrawal for 20 business days. If you change banking information, add a new bank account, or transfer the account to a new owner, no withdrawals may be made for 30 days. Have questions? We'd love to hear from you.